Hi everyone, this is Aras from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to work on this expression to give someone a hard time. To give someone a hard time literally means to make life difficult for someone, to make someone annoyed or make someone uh, punished or make things a bit difficult for the person because of the mistake that the person have made or because of the thing that the person has done without thinking or anything like that. To make someone feel bad because of the thing that they have done by acting in a way to make them understand their mistake, or maybe nagging, maybe being nasty to them, anything like that. And it's a negative one. The connotation, the thing that it has got inside is a bit negative. You would not say that with, with a grin. Ah, she's giving me a hard time. Oh, no, she's giving me a hard time. That's the way you would say, okay? That's the mimic. So this has got a negative connotation in it. And someone over here, someone is the person who is receiving this feeling or this kind of treatment. So this is the object, so can be me, you, him, her, or any other object like Teresa, Peter, whoever. Okay, so give, and give is the verb, so can change give, gave, giving, gives, whatever, based on the subject of the sentence and tense. We know all these things, so now let's look at the examples. Her kids always give her a hard time when she takes them shopping. Okay, you might have the same feeling when you take your kids out. I don't know if you have one. Yeah, some kids start nagging, crying, wanting everything, and make you say, this is the last time I'm taking these kids out with me. Well, you do the same mistake again and again. Anyway, yeah, this is the feeling that you have at that time. You feel that your kids are giving you a hard time, making life difficult, make you suffer. Okay. I came home late one night last week, and she's been giving me a hard time ever since. Means, yeah, I've been late one night last week, and from that night, she always tells me, okay, no, you can come late, it's okay, yeah, you're always late, you're always coming late. This is nothing. The other night also you came late, and she starts over and over again and tells again and again and makes the life difficult for you. So she's giving you a hard time in that case, okay? She has been giving me a hard time and she's making life difficult now. Okay, and this one, stop giving me a hard time. There was nothing I could do about it. It means I was not in control. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't make any mistakes. It was nothing under my control. So do not be like that. Don't nag. Don't tell me off. Don't tell me what to do. Don't blame me over it. Okay? It was not my fault. It was not something that I decided. So stop giving me a hard time. Stop being like that. All right. I hope these examples, the explanation and the expression itself has been useful to you, has given you some tips how to use it. You've got something from watching this video, and if there are any questions, please comment them below the video. I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.